Leucovorin is a round 6-millimeter pill, like this ibuprofen one. It was first approved in 1952 by the FDA and since then has been used to counteract the effects of chemo. But after major media attention and promotion by the U.S. President and Health Secretary, the drug is now being prescribed for children with autism, even though large-scale studies have found that safety of the drug is lacking.
There's been a sharp rise in autism diagnosis in the U.S. over the last 2 decades. According to the CDC, about 1 in 31 children are identified with autism spectrum disorder. Experts say the increase is largely driven by broader definitions of autism, better screening, and improved access to diagnosis in underserved communities. But as more families search for treatments, a White House announcement back in September brought new attention to a little-known drug called Leucovorin.
So I've been waiting for this meeting for 20 years, actually.
The White House promoted the drug as a possible treatment for speech-related challenges associated with autism.
Families of children who have severe autism are often looking for treatments or anything that can help their child.
Yoshi Rothman, an assistant professor of pediatrics at UC San Diego School of Medicine, wanted to find out what impact that national attention had.
We wanted to know if it was directly related to when the White House made their announcement that Leucovorin was going to be a treatment for children with autism that had speech-associated deficits.
His research found prescriptions for Leucovorin in children with autism had already started rising earlier in 2025. But after the White House announcement, the numbers spiked. According to the study, prescriptions jumped more than 70% after the president weighed in. Compared to previous years, prescriptions jumped more than 2,000% overall. But while the drug is FDA approved for other conditions, the FDA hasn't approved it as a treatment for autism. They've only recently narrowed the drug's approval to a rare condition called cerebral folate deficiency.
It just goes to show that once people start talking about certain conditions or treatments in the media, also potentially social media, and you see that there's a definite impact in the communities and the patients.
Now demand for the drug continues to grow. Some reports in 2026 say that families are even having trouble filling prescriptions because of increased demand. And that's why researchers like Rothman say it's exactly why more studies are still needed.
We're looking for any ways to raise funds so that we can support our researchers to take the time to do the data collection and the analysis. That's really important for us to help move forward the science so we can best support these patients and these families.
He warns that without larger long-term studies, many questions still remain about who the drug truly helps and whether it's safe for the widespread use in children with autism that it's currently seeing. For ABC 10 News, I'm Olivia Gonzalez-Britt.